Hello, so welcome back to this channel again. So yeah, I haven't recorded for more than a month now. So yeah, I'm transitioning to a new job role and I'm still adjusting to the new job. So yeah, it's been very busy. So this is just a short update on what I've been up to recently. So first of all, you can see on the hierarchy that I added the MX2000 quest system. So basically this will handle the main quest, side quest, and daily repeatable quest. So this is the one I found in the community content that works directly with the item system or the inventory system. So yeah, there's a lot of, I think there's 3 community content that provides a mission for the item system, but this is the one that really works well with the item system without you the player or you the game developer doing anything. So yeah, just to show, so if you see an exclamation mark, oh yeah, on the above the NPC, whether animated mesh NPC or this billboard here, so yeah, it means they are a quest giver. So how it looks like is, yeah, so for a billboard it looks like this. So by the way, this is the exact template from using the MX2000, so I haven't changed this yet. So that's for the billboard. Here is what it looks like when talking to an NPC. So this one, it has this UI dialog box here, so you can talk with the NPC. And then, oops, I also added, yeah, so once you take on the quest, you have a log, quest log here by pressing the J button. So I added also an icon here to let the players know that if you press J, the quest log will show itself with the player. So yeah, so the reason why you're looking at the Navmesh right now is I adjusted the height of the Navmesh actually, so that the NPC, so I added these NPC guards. So basically they are just the NPC from the AI kit. So I just replaced the animated mesh with different templates. So yeah, I tried to create some soldiers here. So what I did was I increased, or I moved the NPC, I mean the Navmesh height above the water, so that the Navmesh will not create a path under the water. So that's what I'm testing right now. So other than that, I added some plants. So you can see here some bushes, flowers. So that's what I've added. So I was trying to actually change the tree colors, but they're not looking good right now. So I'm still working on the correct color palette for the trees. So yeah, what I was trying to achieve is to have that summer look, so a bit brown a bit brownish. Yeah, warm. I was going for the warm look. For these plants, I think they're already good. The flowers, I don't need to. I think I don't need to change them, so they'll be what they are right now. So what I need to work on are the trees. So aside from the soldiers, I've also added some bandits. So I changed the armor. So I used the I think it's called wolf. Yeah, wolf armor set. It's in the also it can be found in the community content. So one more thing I changed is on the trees. So the trees used to be part of the foliage. So now what I did is to create them using the object generator. So you can find a tutorial on YouTube on how to use the object generator. The reason for that is the Navmesh was actually creating a path under the trees when they are a part of a foliage, but now since they are an object on the map, so the Navmesh was able to recognize the collision of the trees, so that's why the triangles were not created under. So before, when the trees were part of the foliage, the NPCs were actually passing through the trees, so that's one of my problem before. So if you can see on the hierarchy, yeah, I added some trees, so different kind of trees. Now I mean just two kinds of trees, the oak and the redwood, and then I just adjusted the height, the scale, and then I just added some vegetation. So these are the flowers, the bushes, the ivy, and the ferns. So I've also added, yeah, aside from that, so in the managers I've added the MX 2000 quest system, so that will be handling our main quest. And then I also added reset player storage. The actual use of this one is just to reset the quest in preview mode. So I'll be removing this or disabling this once I publish the game. Yeah, so every time I load the game in preview mode, it resets the quest. Since the quest system does not come with a cheat code, unlike the item system, this one has developer cheats, so you can press a button to reset the inventory system. But on the quest system, the developer was not able to add a button to reset the quest, so that's the only reason for this one. But it also resets everything, so yeah, I'm okay with that since it's only on the preview mode. Then I added some dev notes, so I added some list of things that I still need to work on. So just to show you, these are the main main tasks that I need to do. So between creating a simple readme note and using management app like Trello, or I decided just to make a simple note because I'm already using that in my work, so I did not want to feel like I'm still working when doing or working on this game. So it's just a hobby, and yeah, this is just for fun, so I didn't want to feel like I'm obligated to work on this, so that's why I just use the simple notes. So yeah, these are just a list of things that I'm still working on. yeah, so yeah, that's it. I added yeah, notes here. So I think that's it for now. So yeah, those are just the things that I've added on the game. I'm still working on that list. So I think I'll see you again next time. So yeah, thank you. So yes, maybe on my next video I'll be adding a link to this game so you can test it out, or you can download it to copy all the yeah, the systems that I've used here. So I'll publish a test, what do you call that? I'll publish a test copy, I think that's what it's called, I forgot, and add a link on my next video so that you can test out. I'll just add more quests, or I'll just create a quest specific to this game, so at least when you test this game you have something to do in this map. So that's it, thank you, and see you next time.